Hi guys, hello everyone. This is my lunch, but very late lunch already. We used to it. This is patola, pechay, kangkong, and chicken. Sweet and sour chicken. Ito lang yung kakainin ko guys. But I have extra fried chicken here. I want to show you. Binili ko lang to. It's because I'm busy today. I have early bird customers, so no time for cooking. Yan, masarap yan guys. Crispy wing chicken. Then of course water. Drink a lot of water. But this one may water. Hindi siya puno. But it's alright. Ayan, kain tayo guys. Needless mag-rice. It's because I'm practicing to adapt my daily diet routine. At the same time, nasanay na rin yung tummy ko guys na hindi ako kumakain ng maraming kanin. Once a day lang ako kumakain ng kanin, pero hindi nawawala si chicken. Dahil ito yung chicken na nakapagpapasatisfied sa yung hungriness at saka yung vegetables. Hope you like it. I hope may matutunan kayo nan sa diet routine ko. Bukas magluluto ulit ako ng ampalaya at saka high in protein. So ito muna for today. Have a nice day everyone. And thank you for all your love and support. Kain na ako. Thank you for the blessing God. Alayon ikaw sa ngalan ni Jesus. Amen. Bye everyone. Have a blessed day.